is a story about Lily. Good night, Bunny.
What? What is that noise? Look! Oh no! The thunder is so loud! I'm scared. I need to find Dad. Dad. It won't budge. Dad, please help me. Now it's completely dark. I'm all alone. I feel scared and alone. Look at the shadows. Wait, is that a monster? Go away! Go away!
Lily? Are you okay?
Dad! I'm scared.
Don't be scared, sweetie. Daddy is here.
Dad! I'm glad you're here.
My brave girl. Sorry I'm late. There's no monster. It's just your imagination. See? No monsters here.
Yay! No monster!
Look, Lily. This little mouse is as brave as you.
Wow! I'm not scared anymore. Hey, that's my hat!
You're very brave, Lily. I'm so proud of you.
Wow, it's so bright now. Look, Dad. I have the power of light now.
Okay, playtime all's over. Time for sleep.
Sure, Dad. Good night, my love.
Good night, my love. Stay cozy. Don't kick off your blanket.
I will, Dad.
Lily feels safe and calm.
The storm is gone. Here comes a peaceful night.
Be brave like Lily. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.